Okay, for the last few days, I've been carrying this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 along with me. Wherever I have been to, I have taken this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 along with me. Yeah, you have guessed it correctly. Today we are gonna talk about this Ulefone Armor Pad 2. There are two special features that I love about this Ulefone Armor Pad 2. Before we talk about the usual stuff like DCGB, display, camera, gaming, battery, appearance and many other things, let's talk about the interesting things, the special features of this Ulefone Armor Pad 2. The first thing is this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 has a LED light setup at the rear panel. There are 383 LED light beads which only consumes 5.5 watt of power. So yeah, definitely this is a very energy efficient lighting panel, yet it goes very bright, up to 750 lumens. In low light environment, in some different scenarios, it depends on how you use, but this Armor Pad 2 can turn into a versatile lighting device and can be a very useful thing. Nowadays, as I carry this Ulefone Armor Pad 2, I don't have to carry an extra flashlight, portable camping light or something like that. Only having this Ulefone Armor Pad 2, I have access to a very strong LED light setup wherever I want, whenever I want. Oh yeah, this LED light setup is also IPX8 rated, so we can even use this one while it's raining. This light setup is highly resistant to water splash, and as it is a part of a rugged tablet, definitely this one can withstand rough environment. Well, Armor Pad 2 also has a built-in application, the camping light application. We can use this application to turn on, turn off or switch to different moods, and yeah, the application is very easy to use. There is a slider where we can select timer or duration. So when I was camping with Thea, we fell asleep, the light got turned off by itself. Okay, the second special feature of this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 is this one comes with a proprietary port where we can attach many different plug-and-play devices. The port is known as uSmart expansion connector, and this one supports uSmart C01, a 1000 times digital microscope, uSmart E01, a HD camera endoscope, and uSmart E02, a dual camera endoscope. Yeah, not only these, Ulefone also has many other different accessories and tools which support this uSmart expansion connector. All the accessories are plug and play. We don't have to download anything. We don't have to go through any hassle. So it's really very easy to use. Personally, I like the color yellow, and when I have seen that Ulefone Armor Pad 2 comes in yellow color variant, wow, I was really excited. In hand, this one doesn't feel like a rugged tablet. Armor Pad 2 feels like a usual tablet. I really like the design language. The symmetrical design along with a lot of curves, cutouts and some design elements. Altogether, this one looks so cool. Yeah, Ulefone has added a lot of protection to this tablet and all the ports are also well protected. Yeah, as usual, like any other Ulefone device, Ulefone Armor Pad 2 also comes with IP68, IP69K rating, and this one is also certified by military standard 810H. Okay, if you are worried about the display panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is highly durable to withstand accidental drops and impacts, and Ulefone has added protruding edges around the display panel. So yeah, even if we put it upside down on any flat surface, the display won't get in contact with the flat surface, so the display is always well protected. When held vertically, the power button is located on the upper right corner. Yeah, on top of the power button, there is another customizable button. It is international orange. Ulefone has used this color to make it even noticeable in the darkness. Okay, the power button also doubles as a fingerprint reader because the fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button. Primary microphone, USB-C port, 3.5mm port, and a speaker grill is located at the bottom. On top, there is another speaker grill along with a TF and SIM card tray. Yeah, this one comes with a SIM tray where we can use two SIMs and a TF card at the same time. Volume rockers and uSmart expansion connector is located on the left side. Okay, have you already noticed? There are two special cutouts on the left and the right side. Those are there for the hand strap with kickstand. Actually, Ulefone offers many different type of accessories which can be used to turn this armor pad to a multifunctional device, and those accessories actually adds convenience to life. As I have mentioned earlier, Ulefone Armor Pad 2 comes with a symmetric stereo speaker setup. Yeah, there are two speakers. When held horizontally, the speakers are on left and right, and when held vertically, the speakers are on top and bottom. Anyway, I like the speaker performance because this stereo speaker setup goes very loud, and this one has improved clarity. More importantly, balance between left and right channel is almost perfect. Okay, let's listen to some music and you decide by yourself how good is the performance of this stereo speaker setup. If you ask me, then well, I would give this one 10 out of 10.
She's a snake crawling, creeping on the floor. If you give her time of day, baby, that's your first mistake. She will swallow you.
Personally, I like and prefer Ulefone devices because the engineers of Ulefone actually does a lot of hard work. This time with this Armor Pad 2's display panel, I'm also very satisfied because they have perfectly calibrated the display panel. Ulefone Armor Pad 2 has a 11-inch IPS LCD display panel. Even if this is an IPS LCD panel, the display performance is very good. 1200 by 2000 screen resolution, a very high pixel per inch density along with perfect color calibration. This is one of the best IPS LCD panels that I have ever seen on any tablet. Your Armor Pad 2's display panel can reproduce true black. Black is truly dark, and this one also goes very bright under direct sunlight. White is super bright, colors are vivid and vibrant yet pretty much natural. I have used this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 under direct sunlight and in my studio where I have heavy studio lighting, and yeah, the display panel actually performed very well. All the standard display features are there like adaptive brightness, dark mode, night light, color mode and temperature. So yeah, one more time, straight 10 out of 10. Armor Pad 2 is a tablet, so yeah, it's not a camera-centric device. But Ulefone has used two premium sensors. The selfie sensor is a Sony IMX sensor, and at the rear panel there is a 48 megapixel sensor. Usually, I don't take photos with a tablet, but I had to take some photos to check the camera quality. And after I have checked those photos on my Pro Display XDR, wow, the camera performance of Ulefone Armor Pad 2 has really amazed me. I will let you enjoy some photos that I have taken with this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 side by side with a camera-centric budget smartphone. Well, at the beginning, I was a bit skeptical about this, gaming on a rugged tablet. But you know what? Ulefone has used a very capable SoC on this Armor Pad 2. Armor Pad 2 runs on a MediaTek Helio G99. These days, there are many smartphones out there on the market which doesn't even come with a Helio G99 and has a tag of a mid-range smartphone. So yeah, definitely we can play games on Armor Pad 2 as it comes with a very capable SoC. As I personally don't play a lot of games on my tablet, my girlfriend Thea has played a lot of games on this Ulefone Armor Pad 2. We have played Genshin Impact for hours after hours along with many other graphics intensive games. I need to mention it, even if this one is a rugged tablet, this one doesn't even generate that type of heat. We have never noticed any thermal throttling, no lags, no hiccups, and as this tablet comes with a very good vivid and vibrant display panel, gaming sessions are much more delightful as Ulefone Armor Pad 2 offers fluid in-game experience. I was about to use the word smoothness, but I think Armor Pad 2 goes beyond smoothness. This one offers dazzling, splendid gaming performance. Okay, here comes the final part of DCGB: display, camera, gaming and battery. Well, Armor Pad 2 comes with a 18,600 mAh battery. That's not massive, that's really humongous. As this tablet runs on a energy-efficient MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, I have managed to squeeze more than 16 hours of screen on time. As me and Thea were camping outside the city, so yeah, we have been watching a lot of movies, we have played games, we have listened to music, and altogether 16 hours of screen on time, that was beyond my expectations. Okay, a big fuel tank means it needs a bit of a time to refuel the tank, but as Ulefone Armor Pad 2 comes with a 33 watt fast charger bundled inside the box, using that 33 watt fast charger, we have managed to refill the battery cells within a very short time. Okay, we can also use this Armor Pad 2 as a power bank because this one supports reverse charging. So if someone needs to recharge some other devices using this Ulefone Armor Pad 2, that can be done without any issue. Ulefone Armor Pad 2 runs on Android 13 out of the box without much of a customization. I really like this smooth OS experience. And as far as I know, Ulefone will offer major Android update for a few years. So Armor Pad 2 not only comes with the latest Android version, it is also future-proof. Yeah, Armor Pad 2 comes with 8GB RAM on board and we can expand this RAM up to 16GB. So in total we have access to 16GB of RAM. Armor Pad 2 not only comes with the side-mounted fingerprint sensor, this one also supports 2D face unlocking. Yeah, both the fingerprint sensor and the 2D face unlock option works very fine, pretty fast, and I haven't ever noticed any hiccups or lags. Okay, at the beginning I have mentioned that this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 comes with a SIM tray. So that means Armor Pad 2 supports LTE Network Connectivity. I have thoroughly tested upload speed, download speed, video streaming and online gaming speed. Wow, I must say, Ulefone truly has done a magic. Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor Pad 2. At this moment, this is my primary tablet. This one goes around me because this one performs. So if you're in the market and you're looking for a powerful rugged tablet with a lot of functionality, a lot of features, then I wouldn't hesitate to recommend this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 to you. I have left a link of this Armor Pad 2 in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, one request. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.